Hi, I'm Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite whipped cream recipe. This is the perfect thing to make as a frosting or as a dip for fruit. It's really simple too, just 3 ingredients. You're not going to want to miss this recipe. You want to make sure that your bowl and your whisks are chilled, so grab them out of the refrigerator before you get started. I'm using 2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream. Be sure to grab heavy whipping cream instead of regular because it has a higher fat content and it's gonna whip up better than the regular whipping cream. You're gonna add a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla. I usually just eyeball it. Mix it on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. It's gonna take a few minutes depending on your mixer. Make sure not to over-mix your whipped cream because then it will turn into butter, and you don't want that. Whipped cream is perfect as a frosting. I love using it on pies or on ice cream, but I also love using it as a dip for fruit. So I'm adding it to a bowl. I'm gonna add some chocolate sprinkles because I love sprinkles. And now it's time to taste. It's delicious. It's fluffy and it's sweet, but not too sweet. This is perfect. Be sure to subscribe for more easy recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I'm Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome. Oh, I'm not in my kitchen. Never mind, I can't say that.
Welcome to Billy's kitchen.
Yeah, welcome to Billy's kitchen.
Just welcome to your kitchen.
Yeah. Why can't I do this? I'm gonna. Okay, one more time.
Yeah.
Everyone's like here. Nervous. Make sure to use heavy whipping cream because it has a higher fat content and it's gonna whip up stiffer than if you used regular whipping cream. I'm using 2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream, and it's gonna whip. Be sure to, that's what I do. It's great.
Zip it.
Once your whipped cream's finished, this is perfect. I'm gonna go eat this with a spoon. Just shut up. Swear to God. I am totally doing an outtake video. Okay, I got it. Billy is like done with us at this point. I'm almost done.